generation, you know us better. We are everywhere, right? That's the way we have to do things here. So, our people are being exterminated by the poison at this moment of time. But they try to call it epidemia. It's not an epidemia. Right? If you see the symptoms of what our people are facing right there in the state of Nyadi, right? That symptom is equal to the symptom that somebody who is being poisoned under the ricin, right? Same one. And we, at the time we are burying our people, they are outside. They are doing a party, drinking together with Kagame, as you can see them here, right? Here, getting some, they're trying to praise him, give him all the recognition that with Kagame, they are in partnership, right? Kagame has sent this guy there. So the Rwanda in our land has become enemy because they are working together with Western Mature Albert and destroying our people. As you can see them again here. They are toasting champagne. In the meantime, and this is happening today in Rwanda, Kigali. In the meantime, our people are being killed. Our people are dying like, how I can explain it? Like Mustico, right? We are burying our people there. They are toasting here what they have done on the Congo land and what they have done to the Congo people. The plan is known. They have used guns. They have used poison in the water in the past. They have gunned down, bombed some village. So many. They have written a report how many they have to kill, how many they have to push outside of the country. All of this is well known. Written on so many reports. But the world cannot listen. They closing their hearing. No one want to listen. The suffering of the Congo. So we have to take care of ourselves. Our own people have to engage themselves to protect the land, to prepare to protect the children, to protect the women, and to protect our natural resources. That's the only thing we can count on, right? They are toasting here. Today, that's where they're doing all of this. They are so happy on what they're doing on our land. And this is that son that part of this deal of exterminate the Congo people. This son of Ngwebso Maturin Albert, the son of Sassou Nguesso, one of the worst criminals of our generation. He's on every crime, blood crime, money laundering, stealing everything, destroying the Congo people. That son is here. They are all there. They are enjoying the crime they are doing on our people. But the Congo time has come to seek for justice, to protect the people, to protect our land. I hope that after watching this video on English, tomorrow there will be a decision and the last door will be opening so we can put in place this army to protect the Congo, and so we can work together by developing this country, protecting each other's interests. Please remember, there is a petition of the Congo autodetermination is being going. Today, we have almost 51,000 Congo under the chief of family, the chief of village, the chief of counties, are signing the petition. Did you hear that? This is a first time in the history of the Congo people to get together, to talk in one voice, to walk in one street, in one path, in one direction. Is the first time. Before, the Congo would not do that, such thing like that. But now, they are facing a situation that they have to decide about their future, about their children, which is no more living with criminals, no more living with people who always spread hate. Even though we have received them in our land, we provide them shelter, we give them land, we give them jobs, we give them everything, including our daughter or our son, so they can marry them. But at the end, they have turned their back on us. They want to exterminate us and take our land. Right? If you were in a Congo situation, I'm pretty sure that you will be taking a decision to try to protect your family, protect your village. And that's the right thing to do. Because this is part of a human body who wants to survive. But the Congo never went to war against these people. Because we always live with them, we have given them everything, but they have a secret mission of trying to exterminate all of us. So they can keep taking, honey, milk that we have in our land. And this has to stop. That's why the chief of family, the chief of village, the chief of city, countries, big families, what we usually call in our land patriarchs, the family that have a huge legacy in the Congo family, they are signing a petition. They say no more living with these people. And now, the Moshi and the Rwanda partner, they have launched a massive operation to try to exterminate all by using a poison. At the moment that I'm doing this video, we are losing a lot of us. A mother who's losing the only 3 children that she has. They're dying because of this poison. Nobody is talking about this. What do you want us to do? We have to fight for our life, protect our people. Hopefully, tomorrow we'll be getting that phone call. We say, hey, Mr. Pongi, we got your message. Put your brother and sister within the Congo Federation Council together. Let's move forward with whatever you are asking. And we need to put in place a town force. We will right away trying to secure the land, secure the people, and protect the natural resources. Thank you for watching this video.